Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the 2 months, how the price of natural gas has moved and how it will move in the next 2 months. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, it is on the basis of monthly chart we have seen. Okay, then after making this particular high of around $10, we can say that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this is the price where the natural gas is moving since long. Okay, and this is quite volatile, but it is volatile in a range of $3 and $2. Okay, if you look at the chart, what we have seen that it has already made high of around $9.96, close to 10. Okay, and chances was very high if this level would have sustained, then we can see it could have made a new high, but it didn't sustain this particular level. Okay, and this is the pattern we have seen. It is created after pandemic. Okay, and once it break this particular pattern of $2, we will see that it will come in the zone of July of 2020, which is after pandemic we have seen it is trying to grow. Okay, or if this level sustain or move above a level of $3, then chances are very high it can go further upside. Okay, and you have to understand something, that Fed was continuously increasing the rate and chances are very high it can again increase the rate. What is happening is that war situation was also there, where the price of natural gas was very volatile because of that, as well as dollar getting strengthened. Okay, and why, if the dollar is getting strengthened, what is the problem? That suppose if X country, XYZ country is importing natural gas, okay, with suppose X amount of dollars, but once the dollar price moves, they have to pay more for the same amount of natural they are importing. Okay, so this is what is affecting the price of natural gas, and some other factors are also there. Okay, so what we can see in the next 2 months, see, look at this particular chart. For this particular month we have seen it is a red candle is forming. Okay, and I have already told you, as per the weekly chart you can see where a pattern is forming. Okay, where it was saying that once the price touch a level of 2.9, we can see a bounce back can come, and that is where it moved up to a level of 2.9, now trading at a level of 2.557. okay, and chances are very high it can go further low because it is at a strong support at a level of 2.587. now it is, we can see it is deviating towards downside, and chances will be high that it can go towards a level of $2.49. okay, which is a strong support. So chances will be very high once it move below that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.335 to a level of around $2.268. okay, now once the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.108, and if the price fall below this level, yes, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1.905. keep that in mind, that once started falling below this level, chances of touching 1.905 is there, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of, after 1.905 we can see it can come towards a level of 1.787. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, chances are very high that it can go further low, and a probability of going towards 1.645 is there, and if that level of move further down, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.530. okay, 1.530 is the low of this particular zone. Okay, so chances were very high that once it started moving below this particular zone, you can see it can fall further low. You have to understand something, once the price fall below a level of around $2, chances of going further low is on a higher side, because since 3 years we have not seen this level has come. Okay, now you have to understand something, that market is always uncertain. People think that it will move in one direction. See, what you can see, look at this particular chart. A high it has already made, but after that there is a continuous fall. Okay, what this fall says, that if this level would have sustained, we can see it could have made a new high, but it didn't sustain because of this situation. War situation was there, and Fed was increasing the rate. These are the some other factor, and then it has not touched this particular level since long. Okay, and after making a low of around $2.056, that is where it started moving upside, and it is moving in this zone. Okay, always try to set your SL, okay, so that capital and profit can be saved. Always try to set a limit for your particular trade, for a particular day, for a particular week and month. What is the benefit? These are the benefit, that it will save a capital as well as profit, and that is very important. Okay, if the profit is saved, you will be more relaxed. If the capital is saved, you can trade the next trade if that is more profitable. Okay, so you have to remember doing all these things. I teach in my workshop also, and if you want to attend the workshop or you don't know much about how to trade properly, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level or it move above particular resistance of $2.588, chances are very high if this level sustained, it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.771 is there. Suppose if the price sustain above $2.771, that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $2.940. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, it can go towards a level of around $3.058. Okay, suppose this is the level, $3.058 is the high of this particular zone. So once started sustaining above $3.058, it will move upside because that is already being a weak support, weak resistance. So chances are high it can go to and touch a level of 3.2, that is already being tested here. So chances of touching a level of 3.330 is there. Okay, now once the price sustain above that particular level, it can touch a level of around $3.465, and if the price sustain above that level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of 3.509. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above 3.509, chances of going towards 4.162 is there. Keep that in mind that this is the gap still pending at a level of 4.1. Okay, so once the price sustain above 3.9, chance of touching 4.1 is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of $4.35. 4.35 it will sustain. You have to keep it started sustaining this level. We can see it can sustain this level, and then we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, now you have to understand. See, suppose if you have X number of capital, let's take 10k dollars. Okay, now what you can do is try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, take a risk of 0.5 to 1% of a capital trade. That suppose if you are trading with 10 to 15% of capital, that is 100 to 150 per trade. Okay, per trade. And then what will happen, you will keep a stop loss of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Now suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum loss you can do is $500, that is 100 per trade. Now you will be more relaxed because capital is high. Okay, but if you lose 3,000 2,000 per trade, then it will be a big problem and you will lose your capital. That is very important. You have to set your SL, okay, for a particular trade so that capital can be saved, and as well as if you lost all 5 trades or even whatever trades you are taking, then it should not be more than your 0.5 to 1%, okay, per trade, so that capital can be saved and you can trade the next day, because this is the psychological thing that is very important. I teach how to overcome all these things, and if you are trading, how to trade and invest properly. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.